Dear students, in this video, let us study Kerala State Syllabus 10th Chemistry, Chapter 5, Compounds of Nonmetals. Brief summary of lesson. Preparation of ammonia in lab, reversible reactions, chemical equilibrium, industrial production of ammonia by Haber's process, Le Chatelier's principle, application of the Le Chatelier's principle in reversible reaction, preparation of sulfuric acid, its properties and uses. Now, let us study about ammonia. Ammonia is the important compound of nonmetal. Ammonia is prepared in the lab by heating ammonium chloride with the calcium hydroxide. Ammonia gas is passed through quicklime to remove the moisture present in it. Calcium oxide is a drying agent. Ammonia is collected in a jar, kept inverted. Ammonia is less denser than air. It is collected by the downward displacement of air, so jar kept inverted. Ammonia is highly soluble in water. Because of this, when ammonia tanker leaks, water sprayed to reduce its intensity. A highly concentrated solution of ammonia is called liquor ammonia. Ammonia gas can be liquefied easily by applying pressure. Liquefied ammonia is known as liquid ammonia. What are the uses of ammonia? Ammonia used in the manufacture of fertilizers like urea, ammonium sulfate, ammonium phosphate, etc. Ammonia is used as a refrigerant in ice plant. It also used to clean tiles and window panes. When ammonium chloride heated, it decomposes into ammonia and hydrogen chloride. When moist red litmus paper is placed in the mouth of the test tube, it turns blue. It shows the presence of ammonia. But after it turns again blue because of hydrogen chloride gas. Lighter ammonia comes first, then the denser HCl. In a glass tube, cotton dipped in ammonia placed at one end and the other end cotton dipped in HCl. Thick white fumes can be seen. It is ammonium chloride. When heated, powder of ammonium chloride sticked in the glass tube disappears because ammonium chloride decomposes into ammonia and HCl when heated. Ammonium chloride when heated, ammonia and hydrogen chloride are produced. Ammonia and hydrogen chloride reacts and give back ammonium chloride. In such reactions, reactants give products. Products react together give reactants are called reversible reactions. Example for reversible reactions, N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. H2 plus I2 gives 2HI. Reactions taking place in both directions are called reversible reactions. In a reversible reaction, the reaction in which the reactants change to products is called the forward reaction, and that the products change back to reactants is called the backward reactions. But some reactions, the reactants give products, but the products do not give back the reactants are called irreversible reactions. In the reversible reactions, when rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reactions, reaction seems to be stopped. At this stage, the reaction is said to be in equilibrium. What are the characteristics of chemical equilibrium? At the equilibrium, both the reactants and the products coexist. the rate of forward and backward reactions become equal at equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium is dynamic at the molecular level. Chemical equilibrium is attained in closed system. You look the graph there. When the reaction continues, rate of forward reaction is decreasing and rate of backward reaction is increasing. At a stage, the rate of forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of backward reactions. That stage is said to be chemical equilibrium, and in the graph, the point A is called the chemical equilibrium. Le Chatelier's principle. When the concentration, pressure or temperature of a system at equilibrium is changed, the system will readjust itself so as to nullify the effect of that change and attain a new state of equilibrium. Let us apply Le Chatelier's principle in industrial preparation of ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3 plus heat. Effect of pressure. Note the equation. 4 moles of reactant gives 2 moles of products. If we apply high pressure, rate of forward reaction increase. This is because total number of moles decreased in forward reaction. We get more ammonia when pressure is increased. Therefore, high pressure applied in the manufacture of ammonia. Effect of temperature. Here, the forward reaction is exothermic reaction, that is, heat release reaction. If temperature increased, the rate of endothermic reaction, that is, heat absorbing reaction or backward reaction, increase. But we want ammonia. To get ammonia, temperature must decrease. When temperature decreased, rate of reaction decrease. Hence, the system must be fixed temperature. It is called its optimum temperature. The optimum temperature of ammonia is 450 degrees centigrade. Effect of concentration. When the concentration of reactant increased, rate of forward reaction increases. Therefore, the production of more ammonia, concentration of hydrogen must increase. What is the effect of catalysts? Catalysts are substances alter the rate of reactions. There are two types of catalysts, positive catalysts and negative catalysts. Positive catalysts increase the rate of reaction, negative catalysts decrease the rate of reactions. In a reversible reaction, catalysts increase the rate of both the forward and backward reaction to the same extent. As a result, the system reaches equilibrium at a faster rate. Sponge iron is the catalyst used in the preparation of ammonia. Sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals. It has utmost importance in industry. It is highly corrosive acid, denser than water and dissolves in water. Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, chemicals, paints, fibers, explosives, etc. It is used for dehydration. Industrial preparation of sulfuric acid. Industrially, sulfuric acid prepared by contact process. Sulfur is burnt in oxygen to produce sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide allowed to combine with oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide in presence of catalyst vanadium pentoxide. Sulfur trioxide dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid to get oleum. Sulfuric acid is produced by dissolving oleum in water. Sulfur trioxide directly not dissolved in water. Reaction of sulfur trioxide in water is an exothermic process. It may turn sulfuric acid initially formed into fine fog-like particles which will hinder further dissolution. How to dilute sulfuric acid? For diluting the sulfuric acid, it is added to water in small quantities with stirring it. If water is added to the acid, it will result in spurting and may cause burns to our body. Important property of sulfuric acid is its dehydrating nature. Sulfuric acid has great affinity towards water. It absorbs not only water but elements of water also. For example, in sugar, hydrogen and oxygen are in the ratio 2:1. When sulfuric acid is added to sugar, it absorbs hydrogen and oxygen and carbon is left behind. Copper sulfate has blue color due to the presence of water. When sulfuric acid is added to it, blue color disappears. When sulfuric acid is added to cotton cloth gets burnt. Sulfuric acid is used as a drying agent in the preparation of chlorine, sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride. Drying agents are substances capable of absorbing the moisture present in a substance. But sulfuric acid is not used as a drying agent in the preparation of ammonia because ammonia is a base, it reacts with acid. Sulfuric acid is used in the preparation of hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. because sulfuric acid can displace volatile acids from their salts. For example, sulfuric acid can displace hydrochloric acid from sodium chloride and nitric acid from potassium nitrate. Sulfuric acid is a good oxidizing agent. It oxidizes carbon to carbon dioxide and copper is oxidized to copper sulfate. Test for sulfates. When barium chloride is added to sulfates, white precipitate is obtained. It does not dissolve in hydrochloric acid. Here is one question for you. Write the influence of following factors in the preparation of sulfuric acid. Question number 1. Increase the amount of oxygen. Question number 2. Pressure is increased. Question number 3. Catalyst vanadium pentoxide is used. And question number 4. Sulfur trioxide is removed. Answer for all these questions is the amount of product produced is increased. Catalyst help to reach equilibrium faster. Thank you for watching. To view more videos of maths and science, exam oriented questions in Kannada and English, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon.